next we will determine the slope of the different processes like isothermal and adiabatic process in PV plane. Okay, now how can we determine the slope? Now what actually is the slope? So as we know, for isothermal process PV is equal to constant. Okay, if I plot this on PV diagram, I will get the isothermal curve like this. Okay, now what is the meaning of the slope? Slope का मतलब क्या होता है? Slope is nothing but dy by dx, चेंज इन y एक्सिस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x एक्सिस. ओके, y एक्सिस कितने तेजी से चेंज हो रहा है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x एक्सिस, दैट इज नथिंग बट स्लोप. किसी चीज़ का स्लोप ज़्यादा है कब हम बोलेंगे? लेट सपोज वी आर हैविंग डिफरेंट कर्व्स लाइक दिस. ओके, दिस आर 3 डिफरेंट कर्व्स. अब इसमें मैक्सिमम स्लोप किसका है? सो व्हाट वी कैन डू इज, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू हियर इज यू हैव टू सिट हियर. ओके, यहाँ पर बैठना है. ओके, और देखना है कि किसमें कितनी जल्दी आप गिर सकते हैं. Getting this? Okay, स्लोप का मतलब क्या है? स्लोप मीन्स चेंज इन y एक्सिस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x एक्सिस. अब इसमें देखो, फॉर सेम चेंज इन x एक्सिस सबसे ज़्यादा चेंज y एक्सिस का किस में हो रहा है? फॉर सेम चेंज इन x एक्सिस का चेंज तीनों का सेम है, बट देखो y एक्सिस का चेंज सबसे ज़्यादा किसका हो रहा है? ओके, यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस. ओके, मैक्सिमम चेंज इसमें हो रहा है, डेट मीन्स इसका स्लोप मैक्सिमम है, देन इसका. एज सिंपल एज दैट. वी नो अबाउट स्लोप्स. Okay, so what we have to do now is we have to calculate the slope of this isothermal curve, the isothermal curve. Okay, now how can we calculate this? So this PV is equal to constant. We have to calculate the value of dP by dV, slope. Okay, now if I differentiate this, I will get what? First function differentiation of second function plus second function, differentiation of first function. This is equal to constant. Oh, sorry, differentiation of constant is 0. Getting this? Further, this can be written as PdV is equal to minus of VdP, or you can say dP by dV slope निकालना है हमको, is equal to minus of P by V. This is nothing but the slope of isothermal curve on PV plane. PV plane पे slope कितना है? Minus of P by V. What does this minus sign signifies? Minus sign का मतलब क्या है? डेट प्रेशर जैसे जैसे इंक्रीज होगा वॉल्यूम डिक्रीज होगा, और अगर वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज होगा तो प्रेशर डिक्रीज होगा. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ माइनस, नेगेटिव साइन. ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट स्लोप ऑफ आइसोथर्मल कर्व ऑन पीवी प्लेन. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट स्लोप ऑफ एडियाबैटिक कर्व ऑन पीवी प्लेन? इफ आई वांट टू डिटरमाइन द स्लोप ऑफ एडियाबैटिक कर्व, ओके, सेम थिंग. अगर अब हमको एडियाबैटिक कर्व का स्लोप डिटरमाइन करना है, पीवी टू द पावर गामा इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट. सो व्हाट विल बी द स्लोप ऑफ दिस एडियाबैटिक कर्व पीवी टू द पावर गामा इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट ऑन दिस पीवी प्लेन. Okay, so again we will differentiate this. So I will get what? First function differentiation of v to the power gamma is nothing but gamma into v to the power gamma minus 1 into dv. Okay, plus second function which is v to the power gamma into differentiation of first function dp is equal to 0. Okay, so from here we will get what? This will be p into gamma v to the power gamma minus 1 dv is equal to minus v to the power gamma into dp, or you can say dp by dv, this will be equal to gamma into pv to the power gamma minus 1 divided by v to the power gamma. Okay, now what is this? This can also be written as with minus sign, so this will be dp by dv is equal to minus of gamma, this will be p divided by v to the power gamma minus minus plus 1, so this will be equal to v to the power plus 1. Getting this? इसको अगर मैं सॉल्व करूँ नीचे तो दिस विल बी गामा माइनस गामा प्लस 1, गामा विल बी कैंसल आउट एंड विल जस्ट गेट v. ओके, सो दिस इज द स्लोप ऑफ एडियाबैटिक कर्व ऑन पीवी प्लेन. स्लोप ऑफ आइसोथर्मल कर्व हमको क्या मिला था? dp by dv was equal to minus of p by v, and the slope of adiabatic curve on pv plane is dp by dv is equal to minus gamma into p by v. Okay, now we know the value of gamma is always greater than 1, as I told you. वेदर इट बी मोनोएटॉमिक, डायटॉमिक, ट्राइएटॉमिक, जो भी गैस रहे, वैल्यू गामा की हमेशा ग्रेटर देन 1 है. सो इफ वैल्यू ऑफ गामा इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन 1, देन ऑब्वियसली दिस स्लोप विल ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन दिस स्लोप. दैट मीन्स स्लोप ऑफ एडियाबैटिक कर्व. ओके, माइनस साइन तो सिंपली उसका शो कर रहा है डेट प्रेशर के साथ वॉल्यूम का वेरिएशन क्या है, वेदर इट इज इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग. ओके, बट द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ दिस स्लोप ऑफ एडियाबैटिक कर्व is more as compared to that of isothermal curve, because यहाँ पर PV के साथ साथ into gamma भी हमने कर दिया and gamma is greater than 1. Okay, so this slope, as I told you, the slope of adiabatic curve is greater than that of isothermal curve. This here we have proved this mathematically. Slope of adiabatic curve is greater than that of isothermal curve in PV plane. Getting this or not? Next we have to determine the slope of adiabatic curve on TV plane, temperature volume plane. अभी हमने pressure volume plane में निकाला. Now we have to determine the slope of adiabatic curve on TV plane. So for that we have to have the relationship of adiabatic relationship in terms of temperature and volume. Okay, तो adiabatic relationship क्या बोलती है? PV to the power gamma is equal to constant. Okay, now in terms of temperature and volume we want. So what we can do is we know what PV is equal to RT. Okay, now in terms of we want in terms of temperature and volume, तो pressure को हम convert कर सकते हैं in terms of temperature and volume. So from here this P can be written as RT by V. Okay, just put the value, we will get what RT by V into V to the power gamma is equal to constant. Okay, this R is constant, so this C by R is again constant, so this will be equal to TV to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. This is another form of adiabatic relation. TV to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. Now with this we can determine the slope of this adiabatic curve on TV plane. Now TV to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. Now if I differentiate this, I will get what? This will be equal to first function, which is t, differentiation of second function, which is gamma minus 1 into v to the power gamma minus 2 into dv. Getting this? Plus v to the power gamma minus 1 into dt is equal to 0. Okay, we want to determine in TV plane, that means dt by dv, value of dt by dv we want. So this will be equal to t into v to the power gamma minus 2 into gamma minus 1 into dv is equal to minus of v to the power gamma minus 1 into dt. So from here we can determine the value of this dt by dv. So this dt by dv will be equal to minus sign gamma minus 1, okay, t into v to the power gamma minus 2 divided by v to the power gamma minus 1. Getting this or not? Okay, into, that's it. Clear or not? Okay, so further this can be written as this will be equal to v to the power gamma, ये क्या हो जाएगा? v to the power gamma minus 2 minus gamma minus minus plus 1. So v to the power minus 1, that means 1 by v. Getting this or not? So यहाँ से क्या मिल जाएगा? So this will be equal to dt by dv is equal to minus of gamma minus 1 into t by v. That's it. Okay, so this is how you can determine the slope of adiabatic curve on TV plane. Is likewise you can determine the slope of any curve in any plane. Similarly, if I say to determine determine the slope of adiabatic curve on TP plane, temperature pressure plane, so क्या करेंगे उस टाइम में हमको टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर के टर्म्स में रिलेशनशिप लाना है. ओके, एंड देन वी विल डिटरमाइन द स्लोप dt by dp on TP plane. Getting this? Okay, so I would ask you to solve this, pause this video and solve it by yourself. Okay, और उसके बाद फिर हम उसको solve करेंगे. So if you have been able to solve that, it's well and good. If not, you can see the solution here. Now PV to the power gamma is equal to constant, so we know what PV is equal to RT. Okay, we want to determine in TP plane, that means volume, we will have to convert in terms of temperature and pressure. So from here this V is equal to R into T by P. Yes, okay, so just put the value P into RT by P to the power gamma is equal to constant. Now this R to the power gamma will come here and will become a constant. So we will get what? This will be equal to T to the power gamma into P to the power 1 minus gamma. This will be equal to constant, or you can say further this can be written as T into P to the power 1 minus gamma upon gamma is equal to constant. लिख सकते हैं इसको. Okay, divided पावर से हमने इसका गामा हटाया, सो हियर दिस विल बी 1 बाय गामा, तो c to the power 1 by gamma is again a constant. Here it will be 1 minus gamma by gamma. Okay, so this is an expression of adiabatic relation. Tp to the power 1 minus gamma by gamma is equal to constant. Okay, अब इसका हमको स्लोप निकालना है. So for that this will be Tp to the power 1 minus gamma upon gamma is equal to constant. Okay, so for a slope, differentiating this we will get what? T into differentiation of this, so this will be 1 minus gamma by gamma, okay, into P to the power 1 minus gamma by gamma minus 1 is equal to into dp, okay, plus P to the power 1 minus gamma by gamma into dt is equal to 0. ओके, क्योंकि ये हमने ऐसा यहाँ समझ में आ गया होगा, अदरवाइज दोनों में हमको पावर में गामा मिलता है तो हमने इसको एक ही में कर दिया. Getting this? So ये easy हो गई चीज़ें. Okay, now from here we have to calculate this dt by dp. So from here this will be equal to t1 minus gamma by gamma into p to the power, this will be 1 minus gamma divided by gamma, so this will be 1 minus 2 gamma divided by gamma, getting this, into t into dp is equal to p to the power 1 minus gamma by gamma into dt, minus times. So from here this dt by dp, okay, so this will be equal to minus sign यहाँ आ जाएगा, this will be gamma minus 1 by gamma, okay, into t into p to the power 1 minus 2 gamma upon gamma, okay, divided by p to the power 1 minus gamma by gamma. Okay, now अब ये वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, so this will be p to the power 1 minus 2 gamma minus 1 plus gamma by gamma, getting this or not? Okay, or you can say 1 will be cancelled out, this will be p to the power minus 2 gamma plus gamma, this will be minus of gamma divided by gamma, or p to the power minus 1, that means 1 by p, getting this or not? Okay, तो क्या हो जाएगा, so this will be equal to dt by dp is equal to gamma minus 1 by gamma into t by p, that's it. Okay, so this is the slope of adiabatic curve on temperature pressure plane, clear or not? Next is the slope of isothermal and adiabatic curve on LNP versus LNV plane. LNP versus LNV plane means in y axis we are having log p, in x axis we are having log v. Okay, so we have to determine in this particular plane what will be the slope of isothermal and adiabatic curve. So for isothermal curve, first we will determine this. For isothermal curve, PV is equal to constant. Okay, now what we can do, we want to determine in LNP versus LNV plane, तो हम इसका log ले सकते हैं. We will get what, ln of P plus ln of V, okay, is equal to ln of constant is a constant. Okay, now further this can be written as, this will be ln of P is equal to minus of ln of V plus C. Okay, now why we are putting this in this term, because we know y is equal to what, mx plus c. ओके, एंड और इसी फॉर्म में हमने इसको लाया है, y एक्सिस में हमारा क्या है, ln of p, x एक्सिस में ln of v. सो दिस अगर मैं इससे कंपेयर करूँ, आई विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस m विच इज नथिंग बट स्लोप. सो फ्रॉम हियर दिस स्लोप m विल बी इक्वल टू -1, दैट्स इट, सिंपल है. ओके, सिमिलरली एडियाबैटिक के लिए करो कैलकुलेट. ओके, जस्ट पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड कैलकुलेट इट फॉर एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस. ओके, सो क्या होगा फॉर एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस, दिस विल बी ln of p प्लस गामा ln of v is equal to constant, or you can say ln of p is equal to minus gamma ln of v is equal to plus c. Okay, so again y is equal to mx plus c. So from here this m will be equal to minus of gamma. Okay, so a slope of isothermal curve on LNP versus LNV plane is -1, and a slope of adiabatic curve on LNP versus LNV plane is minus of gamma. And obviously this minus of gamma, the slope of adiabatic curve is more because gamma is greater than 1. Getting this or not? Next is the slope of adiabatic curve on LNT versus LNV plane. Okay, LNT versus LNV plane, that means we know what, for adiabatic process TV to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. We have just now proved this. Okay, now इसका slope हमको इसमें निकालना है, so we will take log ln of t plus gamma minus 1 ln of v, this will be equal to constant. Okay, or you can say ln of t is equal to 1 minus gamma ln of v plus constant. Okay, तो y is equal to mx plus c, ये सारे straight line की equation है. Okay, all this curve will be a straight line in previous में भी जो हमने देखा LNP versus LNV plane, उसमें भी straight line है. In here also this is a straight line where this m is equal to 1 minus gamma. Okay, so the slope of this adiabatic curve on LNT versus LNV plane is 1 minus gamma. Similarly LNT versus LNP plane में भी निकाल सकते हैं, LNT versus LNP plane. Okay, तो उसके लिए हमने क्या देखा, TP to the power 1 minus gamma by gamma is equal to constant. Okay, so this will be ln of t plus 1 minus gamma by gamma ln of p is equal to constant, or you can say ln of t is equal to gamma minus 1 by gamma ln of p plus c. Okay, so from here this slope will be equal to gamma minus 1 by gamma, that's it. Okay, so this is how you can determine the slope on any plane. कोई भी प्रोसेस मिल जाए और उसको किसी भी प्लेन में अगर हम पूछे तो within few seconds we can determine the slope. Getting this?